Tired of screen addiction? These are the best dumb phones of 2025. For smarter focus, real-life moments, and digital detox done right. Let's unplug in style. Hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up or down, and leave a comment. Which one's your favorite way to break free from the scroll? Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Light Phone 3. That's the first thing you hear when it boots up. A soft owl coo from the speaker. And honestly, it sets the tone. Sleek, minimalist, and wrapped in a sharp aluminum frame, the Light Phone 3 feels premium. And quite literally sharp, with squared-off edges that are more stylish than ergonomic. At $799 retail or $599 pre-order, it's not cheap. But the build quality is excellent, and the purpose, even better. It's distraction-proof by design. No browser, no social media. Just calls, texts, GPS, music, and maybe a moment to actually touch grass. It supports 4G, 5G, eSIM, and physical SIM, and lasts a full day, making it the go-to dumb phone for digital minimalists. Number 2. Punkt MP02. What a little chunk, in the best way. The Punkt MP02 instantly transports you back to the 90s. No touchscreen, just physical buttons, a grayscale screen, and distraction-free simplicity. The chunky pebbled plastic build feels tank tough. Buttons? Crisp and satisfying, something modern phones forgot how to do. Yes, it uses T9 texting, but with arrow keys and autocorrect, it's more usable than you'd think. Plus, it supports Signal for secure messages. Extras include a calendar, alarms, reminders, stopwatch, and that's it. No apps, no camera, no 5G. Just calls, texts, and peace. It's not for everyone, but if you're over the scroll, the MP02 might be exactly what you need. Number 3. Ghost Phone 4. We haven't reviewed it just yet, but the specs are turning heads. Built on Pixel 7 hardware, the Ghost 4 skips the App Store and web browser, but keeps essentials like maps, music streaming, and texting. It quietly packs features like a 4K rear camera, 8x zoom, 128 gigabytes of storage, and a buttery 90Hz screen, making it one of the most powerful dumb phones on the market. And launching alongside it, the upcoming Punkt MC02, a touchscreen take on the MP02 philosophy, but with a 64 megapixel camera, 4K video, and a 6.7-inch display. Both are bold options for anyone who wants premium hardware, minus the algorithmic rabbit holes. Number 4. wisephone 2. As our writer Adam put it, at a glance, the wisephone 2 looks like any modern smartphone, until you unlock it. Touted as the smartest dumb phone, it's designed to strip the noise while keeping essentials. Simple maps. An ad-free music player. A very solid camera. Group messaging. Without social media doom scrolling, it's like when you delete your apps but keep unlocking your phone out of habit, only to stare at it wondering, what did I even come here for? If you're after fresh air with just enough function, the wisephone 2 hits a sweet spot. Number 5. Nokia 2780 Flip. Want that perfect mix of retro simplicity with modern backup features? The Nokia 2780 Flip is it. You get classic T9 texting, a compact display, surprisingly solid battery life. And yes, a 5 megapixel camera that outperforms most flip phones in its class. What's wild is it still supports music, YouTube, maps, and basic internet, without becoming a full-blown distraction device. It walks a fine line between just enough connection and completely staying off the grid. Perfect if you want a little convenience, but none of the chaos. So, which dumb phone is smartest for less screen time? The Light Phone 3 takes the win, thanks to its sleek design, high-end build, and distraction-free approach that still keeps you connected when it counts. Want more unplugged recommendations? Tap like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Which phone would you take on your digital detox? See you in the next one.